Hey Satterton, this is Mr. Dubik here. In this YouTube video, we are going to be going over the daily lesson plan for Wednesday, April 22nd. So for Wednesday, what you need to do is you need to watch the light dependent reaction YouTube video. This video will explain the first main stage of photosynthesis, which is the light dependent reaction. This video goes very in depth about the light dependent reaction, so make sure you watch the YouTube very closely. Here's the link to the YouTube video, and this is what it looks like here. Okay, along with the YouTube video, I have provided you with the guided notes. Okay, so again, click on the guided notes here that goes along with the YouTube video. Okay, select file, make a copy, and you should be good to go to fill in the notes. Anywhere where you see a red line, make sure you fill in the notes from the video. This chart is something new. Okay, it's not included in the YouTube video, but the information is provided in there. So again, how many phosphates are attached to the ribose sugar, and the ATP molecule versus ADP, and which molecule has more stored energy. That's pretty important. I need you to understand that. You have a simple diagram here of the light dependent reaction. So make sure you watch the video and you really understand this process. And then here are the light dependent reaction steps. Now, in the YouTube video, I demonstrate and I talk through the process of the light dependent reaction using this diagram here. But I don't really provide you with a step-by-step procedure. So this is what this part of your guided notes is here. Okay, and I kind of give you a little explanation. These notes are not found in the video. However, I would like you to watch the YouTube video and do your best to complete the steps of the light dependent reaction below. Okay, so these are the steps to the light dependent reaction. Make sure you watch the YouTube video very closely, and as I talk about each step in the light dependent reaction, try to fill in these guided notes. I'm going to post the answers later just so you have them. And then down below here, I have the light dependent review diagram here. And I really like this diagram. It's very simplified and easy to understand. And it really gets across the main points of the light dependent reaction and the light independent reaction, essentially. So this would be the light dependent reaction here. Okay. And then the two reactants needed for the light dependent reaction are water, light. It occurs at the thylakoid membrane, and oxygen is released as a byproduct. Now, what is produced from the light dependent reaction that is needed in the Calvin cycle? There's two products. There is NADPH and ATP, and those are needed for the Calvin cycle to essentially make glucose. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and fill in this diagram, and how you fill in these text boxes is you simply double click, and then once you get in here, then you can type your answers in and then just save it and you're good to go. Okay, you do not need to submit these notes. These are for you, but it's really important that you understand this process, because later on in the week you're going to have to go through another step-by-step situation here, just like I have posted in these notes, that essentially goes over both the light dependent reaction and the light independent reaction. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to your notes here. And then last but not least, I want you to review the light dependent reaction by watching an Edpuzzle video that I've created on the light dependent reaction. So again, you click on the video, there's a link there, or if you just want to go to edpuzzle.com, and then the class code for the YouTube video is right here. I really want everyone to watch this YouTube video, or I should say this Edpuzzle video. It goes really in depth, it's very clear, and it's simplified, and it's a nice reinforcer video to really help you understand the light dependent reaction process. Okay, so please make sure you watch this Edpuzzle video. Again, all you have to do is go to edpuzzle.com. You'll look for an access code. You enter this code right here, and you should be right into my Satterton Biology Spring 2020 class. You click on, I'll show you the video. This is a video, Light Reactions of Photosynthesis. Watch that, submit your answers, and you are good to go for the end of the day. All right, so that is the daily lesson plan for Wednesday, April 22nd. Please make sure you're getting this work done. Also, if you haven't completed the 2 exit tickets, the chloroplasts versus mitochondria exit ticket, as well as the photosynthesis overview exit ticket, make sure you submit those and get those turned in. Alright, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later.